What's up you guys, DJ himself here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube. You're going to want to make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you how to do this without even showing your face. Plus, if you watch this entire video, you're going to see exactly how others are doing this to go viral. You don't need any skills or experience to do this, no ads, no website, nothing. And if you stick to the end, I'm going to be showing you my #1 method for making money online. I don't care if you subscribe, I don't care if you share, just hit the like button, it's completely free. Our goal is to hit 100 likes on this video. Help us hit our goal, let's go. Alright you guys, we're going to jump right in this method. This video is going to be quick, bang bang, make some money, let's go. Alright, YouTube, some of you guys want to start a YouTube channel. Everybody knows there's a lot of money to be made on here. But not everybody wants to start a channel where you show your face, where you have to talk in the camera. Some people don't have good English, I understand. This kind of video, anybody can do this, okay? Either you can do it yourself with some simple things you already have, you know somebody who can help. Just about anybody can make a video like this, and even if you can't do it the first way I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you a second way that anybody can do. Let's jump right into it, guys. So in this video, we're going to be going over a certain niche type of channel that people do where they are running over things with their car. So I'm going to show you two example channels of channels that are doing this, and they're getting a ton of views, guys. People love these videos. They absolutely go viral on YouTube. Okay, so first channel we're going to be looking at is Galaxy Experiments, 120,000 subscribers. Now look at these views. 11 million views, 7 million views, 6 million views, 1.8 million views, and we're going to be going over in just a second, guys, how much money that really means on YouTube if you don't already know. Next channel we're going to be looking at is Hacksbusters. Okay, 2.75 million subscribers. Look at these views: 15 million, 14 million, 8 million. They're just running over simple objects with their car. Okay, you see they're just getting cheap things you can have around the house, you can buy at the dollar store, you can get on Amazon for $1, and running them over with their car. Anybody can do this. Okay, now let's quickly talk about how much money they're really making. So just about every million views on YouTube is about $3,000 to $4,000. So a video that gets 10 million views, that's $30,000 to $40,000. So just this video alone brought this channel probably $30,000 to $40,000. Okay guys, so this is the potential, and that's just on one video. These people are uploading a ton of videos like this that are getting millions of views. Okay, even the ones that are in thousands are still bringing in good revenue, because now this whole channel is running all these videos at the same time. If you just keep uploading videos like this consistently, there's going to be some that just take off and just go viral. Now second, making thumbnails on YouTube is one of the most important things. It's also one of the most time consuming and difficult things. If people don't click on your video, nothing matters. The thumbnails on this are super easy. It's literally just a picture from the video. They didn't even do anything, so you don't even need to use Photoshop or do anything fancy at all, guys. So we know that there's a lot of money to be made. We know anybody can do this. If you don't have a car, you know somebody who has a car who can let you can do this right on the driveway or anywhere. You know, it doesn't really need to be fancy. You literally set up your smartphone. You don't need any special equipment. You go to the dollar store, buy a few things, buy some markers, buy some soap, look at these videos and see what they're running over, popsicles, whatever, eggs, and just drive over them. That's it. The videos can be short. Look how most of these videos 2, 3, 4 minutes long. They're not doing anything crazy, guys. No one needs to talk in the video. No one needs to show their face. People just look at these videos and think, oh, I want to see what that looks like, and they click it. And that's why these videos get millions and millions of views, which equals millions of dollars. Okay guys, so the second option that I wanted to tell you, if you don't have, for some reason you don't have access to a car, don't even have a few dollars to buy some things to run over, it's okay, I got you. So by the way guys, if you're liking this content, smash the like button. That's all I care about. All right, hit the go to YouTube, type in tire crushing or car crushing. You can search something like that. Now when you get this, there's going to be all these videos like from the channels like what we're talking about. Go to filters, hit Creative Commons. Now that means all these videos are going to be safe for us to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to download these clips. Okay, now each one of these videos is going to have a dozen or so clips of them running over some things, and then we can download 10 of these videos, which will give us like 100 clips that we can rearrange and put into 10 new videos. So then if you don't have a video editor, like if you don't have something already on your computer, and by the way, this isn't going to be any complex editing, this isn't going to be a lot of work, anybody can do this. Okay, download these videos. If you don't know how to do that, just go to YouTube and put download YouTube video. You'll get some links where you can do that very easily. Go to a website called clidio.com. all right, we're going to go to here to Video Maker, click that, and then this is going to bring us to where we can just choose the files. This is online, we don't need to download any software or anything. We're going to upload our files, the ones that, from the YouTube video that we downloaded, if it's Creative Commons, then we're going to be able to, you know, just basically like this picture shows right here. Okay, we'll rearrange the clips, we'll put some clips from different videos, mix them up, and then we have our own clip, 2 to 3 minutes, that we can then upload to YouTube. Now it's a completely new piece of content. Creative Commons is safe to use, but you don't just want to re-upload it straight away. You want to mix it up, make it your own, okay? So that's that, guys. That is the alternative way that you can do that, because not everybody has a car, I understand that, but if you do, you can make original content very, very easily with just some things you have around the house, some toys, some old toys, some things you buy at the dollar store. Go to the dollar store with 10 bucks, you can come home and have enough to make multiple videos. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please just smash the like button if you're enjoying this content. I love making these videos for you guys. I hope this helps get you inspired to start making money online, start your YouTube journey, even if you're somebody that doesn't want to show their face or talk on camera. Guys, enjoying this video, hit the like button. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in my #1 method to make money, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Be sure to check that out. See you next time, guys. Peace.